It's March 21st, 2022. Spring is right around the corner and grass season is going to begin. I stored my Simplicity Courier October 13th of 2021. It's been sitting out here in the back shed all winter. I did put fuel stabilizer in it. I pulled the battery out, put the battery in the house on a battery tender, maintained it all winter long. What I want to see is when I put the battery back in, how well is this Briggs & Stratton engine going to start up? Now, there's some people that love Briggs & Stratton, some people hate on them. Me personally, I think Briggs & Stratton is one of the best engines you can buy, especially in these small lawnmowers. So we'll put this battery in, give it a crank, see how long it takes to start up. We'll see how much smoke comes out of the exhaust. Right now it's currently 61 degrees, so it's not real hot, not real cold. We'll see how it goes. Let's get that battery installed and see how she fires up. So the battery on these Couriers are right underneath the seat. You just flip the seat up and it's going to sit right down here in this tray. It's held in place by this rubber strap. The negative is going to go on this side over here. We'll pop the battery in place. Once the battery is set in place, you got negative over here, positive over here. You're going to install this rubber strap. It simply slides into place. Bring it over. Make sure you don't pinch the positive. Slide it in place on this side over here. Now that your battery strap is in place, you're going to connect the negative cable first. Now you can go ahead and connect the positive. And then we're just going to tighten up the nuts. You're going to use a 7/16 wrench. Get that nice and tight. On the positive side, you are going to have a cover to cover the terminal. Get that covering that terminal. The battery's in place, it's strapped down, it's not going anywhere. Both nuts are tight. You have your negative on the negative, the positive on the positive. Close up the seat, we'll see how it starts up. So the Simplicity Couriers don't have a separate choke. You push the throttle lever all the way forward and that engages the choke. Make sure my PTO is off. Parking brake is on, and we'll give it a crank. As you can see, the Briggs & Stratton started up fairly easily. I don't see any issues with it running this season. Idles perfectly, started right up, I didn't see hardly any smoke. So this season it's going to be ready to go. If you're looking for a good lawnmower, stop into your local Simplicity dealer and check out their new line of Courier products. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.